Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something super interesting but also kinda strange complex sleep behaviors. Like when people talk, walk, or do random stuff while they're asleep? Sounds wild, right? Let's break it down and see what's really going on. What are complex sleep behaviors? So, complex sleep behaviors are things people do while sleeping. But here's the twist they have no idea they are doing it. It's part of group of sleep disorders called parasomnias. Ever heard of someone sleepwalking or sleep talking? Yeah, it's like that. But get this, some people go beyond that. They might eat, text, or even try driving while asleep. Crazy, right? It's like half brains asleep and half awake. And the part that controls movement wakes up while the awareness part stays snoozing. And that's why weird things happen. What causes it? Now, what causes all this? Well, there's a mix of stuff. Stress and anxiety, big culprits. Lack of sleep, because who doesn't feel weird when they are sleep deprived? Certain medications or substances, sometimes the stuff meant to help us can mess with our sleep. Family history, yup, it can run in the family. Health conditions like sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome. And sometimes it's like your body is trying to act out your dream, kinda like sleep theater, but not as fun. Why does it matter? Okay, so why should we care about this? Well, for starters, it can be dangerous. Sleepwalkers could fall, bump into things, or wander outside. Scary. Sleep eaters might eat random or even harmful stuff. Imagine eating raw pasta or toothpaste. And sleep drivers, that's just plain danger for everyone. Plus, it's not great for your sleep or your family's peace of mind. It can leave you tired, cranky, and even stressed out because you never know what might happen next. What can you do about it? Here's the good news there are ways to manage it. Stick to regular sleep schedule. Trust me, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day really helps. Chill out before bed, like read, meditate, or take a warm bath, whatever relaxes you. Avoid triggers. Cut on caffeine, alcohol, or heavy meals before bedtime. Make your space safe. Lock doors, secure windows, remove sharp or dangerous stuff near your bed. And if it's really bad, talk to a doctor or a sleep specialist. They can help figure out the best ways to handle it. Wrap up. So, yeah, complex sleep behavior can be a little scary and a lot weird, but they are also manageable. So, if you or someone you know is dealing with this, don't ignore it. Take steps to stay safe and get better sleep. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. And hey, if you have got questions or stories about sleep behaviors, drop them in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Sweet dreams.